He wants those not for anything in particular, but definitely because of the Arctic Circle, which kind of becomes the hotspot, pardon my pun, in the global trade and of course national security risks that is associated with, again, the People's Republic of China and Russia. We haven't even considered, or we haven't even mentioned, the H-1B visa debacle that has separated the MAGA pride, or between the MAGA, between the red MAGA and the dark MAGAs, with the STEM major freaking Elon Musk, Vivek Ramaswamy thing, and Laura Loomer, freaking nationalist part of the MAGA Republicans. So yeah, that will definitely lower your gas prices and of course your eggs and rice or whatever you eat down there. So basically briskets and some other stuff that I definitely want to eat. If Trump succeeds into taking over the Panama Canal, Greenland, and Canada, I mean, he would have one hell of a run, especially in that 4 years. If he does all of that in 4 years, that would be amazing. That would be badass. And so he'll definitely gain some favor, especially since, that's for 4 years in the unilateral Congress, judiciary, and executive branch. If he gets all of that, bravo. And I will definitely applaud that. Because again, that feat alone will put you in the Mount Rushmore. Your own Mount Rushmore.